55 still alive. He's got a big hit. Oh, great shot. 55. Look at the back of that. Here we go. Look at the mud flying. 626 is still in the town. I think he's getting our gun. He's trying to get it. I don't know. I'm looking at my officials. 55 is not letting him go down easy. 626 is he still driving? Oh, some big shots. 55 is laying a beat with the back of that thing. 626, is he still alive? Is he counted out? 626 has been counted out. 55, what a driver! 55 playing it smart. Number 16's helping him out, saying that 55 has this one if nobody else refires. 55 may have the win here. 626 has been black flagged. 355 needs to start up. Tucker Hardy, here comes 55. He says he doesn't want to stop Derby. He just wants to keep it. Oh! Did the minivan just win this? He did! Big shot there from 55, sponsored by Orangeville VW. Big shot! 55 is probably the happiest minivan in the world right now. The winner is 55!